Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how do you indicate that you are available for the jobs on LinkedIn. By this method, this will help the recruiters and the hiring staff when they visit your profile that you are available for accepting the new jobs. So let me show you how do you indicate that. Once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, you need to go to your profile. You can simply click on your photo or you can click on me icon here and go to view profile. Once you are in your profile section, under your name, you can see there's an option for open to. Once you click on this, you will see some three options. The number one is providing services. In the middle, there's a hiring position. And top, there's finding a new job. As you will be looking for a new job, just click on the first option. Now you have this section that tells you to edit your job preferences. I have added the job title that says project manager. If you want to add another, you can click on the add title and write the job position. You can add as many as you want. On the second option, you have workplaces. This can be on-site, hybrid, or remote. I'm available to on-site and remote as well, so I'll be choosing this. You can add your on-site location, you can add your remote location. As you are looking for the jobs, you can set this to immediately. So this will help the recruiter or the hiring staff to know that you are actively applying for the jobs. The job type can be full-time, contract, part-time, internship, or temporary. You can select according to your need. I'm available for full-time and part-time, so I'm selecting these. And in the last, when you click on this option, you can see there are two options available. It will ask you to choose who sees you are open for the jobs. Right now it is selected here on the recruiters only. I will click on this one, so this will help the recruiters and other people at your company to see that you are looking for the jobs. And lastly, don't forget to click on the save. And now you can see the job preferences are saved. Now you have successfully indicated that you are looking for the jobs on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.